Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Necromancer Bee in Garden game of Roblox PCB event update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the Necromancer Bee looks like. This is my Necromancer Bee, and if you want to get this Necromancer Bee, you need to have Transcendent Egg, because this Necromancer Bee is from the Transcendent Egg, which is the new egg from the BCB event update part 3. Okay, this one guys. And this bee basically every 80 seconds summons 3 skeleton bees for 20 seconds. So yeah, it's very useful, especially for defeating the Wasp King. This one, the Necromancer Bee. Oh, let me view the ability. Okay. As I mentioned before, this is the ability of this Necromancer Bee. If you want to get it, you need to go to the BX shop right here. And you need to buy the Transcendent Egg. And you will have this chance to get the Necromancer Bee. You will have 44.3 chance percent to hatch this bee. But now the Transcendent Egg is not available here, so we need to wait guys until we can buy it. And it costs 5k honey coins. Okay guys, and that's all about the Necromancer Bee in Grey Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!